primary job of this particular workshop is to introduce to the industrialists that there is a possibility of acquiring new knowledge, which is either within the country or outside the country. If they use that knowledge, they can get upgraded products, they can get upgraded services, they can also improve the quality. And for this, there is a liberal funding which is available now from Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, which is up to a maximum of 5 crore rupees. And if that is available and made use of by even 5 enterprises, there will be a replication effect. And we expect that with that kind of a replication effect and increased sales and more production, that would lead to job opportunities. But this is not directly related to skill development and then job opportunities. So this is an indirect way of linking it up. We are essentially engaged at this point of time with European Union in order to help improve the energy efficiency in case of foundry sector. And that is something which is leading to huge amount of competitiveness increasing. This leads to coal saving of between 25 to 40%, and our objective is to reach about 25 crore rupees of saving per annum in 500 enterprises. No, the sector is not limited. You can go to any sector. You can get into pharmaceuticals, aerospace, you can get into electronic industry, plastic manufacturing, bulk drugs. So sectors is not a limitation. This scheme is available for all the sectors. But it is limited to micro, small and medium enterprises, because large enterprises, they have some sufficient resources available with them, and then there are also other schemes which are available for them. So this scheme has been specifically made to target the micro, small, medium enterprises, because they have funds and resource limitations, and then individually they are not sometimes capable to put in that kind of resources. So the idea is to put them in a collaborative form, make small networks and groups, and help them then to take it up forward from there. Thank you.